So you finally installed your new bike carrier. Now I'm going to show you how to use it and how to safely mount the bicycle on top of this new unit. First, when you want to put your bike on top of this unit, you take the strap, pull the arm down and make sure it is locked in position and doesn't shoot up. Now you take your bicycle, roll it up, and what you want to do, when you want to lift the front wheel up, align the hole between two spokes and put it through this hook. Like so. Now you can take the bicycle, pull it by the handlebar, and let the bicycle carrier do the work for you. This is a rather heavy bicycle, it's electric and it has a battery pack. So in order to accommodate for that, I've used the second to highest hole here. These 4 adjustment holes allow you to adjust how much aid this gas spring will help you. Now you can take this arm with the clamp, lock it onto the main frame of the bicycle and tighten until it's nice and snug. Now down here you'll find this strap threaded between 2 of the spokes and into the clamp on the other side. This you can adjust for if you have a longer or shorter frame. You can take these 2 bolts off, place it down here or up here. Now in the assembly kit you've already found this strap. You can use it to secure the bicycle to the frame, and please do this. You simply thread it through the frame of the bicycle, into the carrier, and back out again until you can make a loop. I'm going to fit the second bicycle to this carrier. Now the only difference here with the second bicycle, you need to turn it around and have the back wheel go on first. And again, don't forget to put on the strap. Before you set off, don't drive without this strap fitted and do not thread it around the gas strut. Now I've got my bicycles fitted and you're ready to drive off.